Alrighty, guys. So it's time to start harvesting. So today, shoot, I don't even have anything ready. How are we doing on animal health? They're doing good. Looks like we moved the feeder calves over. Those are about ready to set. So, okay. Let's try this right here. And I already got the grain car hitched up. We just need to... Didn't realize it was parked back there. So we need to bring this out, so we're gonna have to use this. Yeah, so I thought I already had the grain cart hitched up. Luckily I do. But yeah, it's okay. Now let's head in the barn real quick. Oh dude, I can't even get in. It's because the quad track's right there, it's fine. Okay, can I get through here? Hopefully. Whoa, don't let this one go. Gotcha. Alright. Shoot, we also got to out. Oh shit, this is a mess. Oh, great. Hopefully I can't attach that. We're also silage. But that's debatable again. Because shoot, how much animal storage? Okay, I have enough to probably last me a while, but I need chicken. They're not chicken. Pig food. What a great way to start the video. Okay, let's... Move this real quick. Alrighty, guys. So this farm is about to be finished. I don't know what farm I want to go to next. But I'm undecided if I want to do any silage, which I don't think I'm going to. But I don't know. Which we also have soybeans. There's the next video. Send you all back in the time lapse. Alrighty guys, so we're back. This will probably be the end of the video. I know that we didn't get all the corn harvest done, but we will have a second video about this. So, this is the end of the first video, so this will be part 1. Part 2 will be coming out soon of corn harvest. But yeah, this video is getting pretty long, so there will be a part 2 at some point in this. So yeah, so this will be the end of the video. I will see y'all next one. Bye.